So in this lesson, we'll learn about angles and their vocabulary. Now we already have learned about certain concepts in geometry. So we know that a ray has one endpoint. Then we know a line segment has two endpoints. And we know a line extends forever in both directions. So let's say if we have a starting point and a ray, UW, sorry. And then there's a different ray going this way, UV. So this angle between the two arms, so this is arm, UV is one of the rays, is ray 1, or just a ray, and UW is the other ray. So the angle between the two rays is what we are trying to describe, between the two rays. So that is that green dot. Now, they meet at a certain point. The two rays meet at point U. This point is called the vertex. So vertex is equal to U. So whenever two lines intersect, the point at which they meet is called the vertex. We've already identified the two rays. Now let's describe the angle. Now, if you were going from W to U to V, if this was my path, I'm going from W, U, and then V. So my angle would be defined as W, U, and V. And I can put this caret on top to describe an angle. Another way to describe my angle is to write it this way with an angle sign and W, U, V. And then if I have the numerical value, let's say if this is 110 degrees, this is another way to say that angle WUV is 110 degrees, right? So these are some ways to describe your angle or to write your angle. So W caret UV, because that's where they meet. And then the vertex is always in the middle. And the last way to represent the angle is to say it's just angle U. So there are four ways to write an angle. Now, the other approach could be that the path is the other way. So V, U, W. So then the angle would be angle V, U, W with the caret on top, or this way, V. Let me erase that. Or angle U. In both cases, it's the same. So this is how our angles would be defined. So in summary, we have this. When two lines intersect, this point is your vertex. How do you describe your angle? It's based on the rays. So this is ray 1, ray 2. The angle in between, whatever it can be, let's call it x degrees, right? This is your vertex. So your angle could be, let's give it a name, A, B, and C. So your angle could be BAC or angle BAC, or it could be CAB or CAB. Let's make this more straight so that it looks like this. Or you could say it's equal to x degrees, or you could say angle A, or A caret, or A degrees is also acceptable if it depends how it's given to you. So basically you're looking for either the angle symbol or this or the degree value.